Hello everyone. Recently I had very terrible pain in one of my teeth. It was terribly irresistible pain, and I went to see a doctor, a dentist, and he told me to do a surgery, root canal, and very costly, more that cost more than 3,000 or so. He recommended me to use the Advil and other things like and this video I'll show you what I've been using, and it helped me so much to reduce the pain, and so I don't have to do the surgery or something. Besides that, I wrote one of website about root canal, and was kind of people suggested not to do it for causing maybe a cancer or so. However, some other doctors denied that and so on. But anyway, it's so costly, and the nerve, if you got like a pain on in one of the teeth, nerve pain, not like a hole or something, and this video I think will help you so much to reduce the pain, and at least for very long time. But also you need to see a doctor, dentist doctor, just in case. But for me it works so much. So here are the four I've been using so far, and they kind of really good help and very reduce lot pain. But each one works. Let's talk about first, like this one. It's called glove oil. The glove oil basically it's kind of makes your tooth numb. So sometimes it depends. Like it's just not much actually, a little bit numb, and it won't last long. So I tried it. It depends on the pain. If there's a hole in your tooth or something, or teeth, sometimes it may work. But if you got nerve pain, maybe it won't help much. Just even maybe a few minutes or so, and then as soon as the numb goes away, the pain start over again. And there is like different brands and so on. This is probably uh, very basic, but the premium pure glove oil, you can get it from the pharmacy. I'll put link description for all those, and they pretty much available all North America. Now the second, Advil. The Advil basically it's like a painkiller, and it reduced the pain for at least maybe 8 hours. And I've been taking those pills, Advil 500, and sorry, 400 mg, 400, and extra strength, extra fort, and they work fantastic for painkiller. So the Advil made basically not only for headache or runny nose or something like that, but mostly for any kind of pain. You can use the Advil, and I've been using it for my toothache for about last few days, and it helped me very good. And so this one also, the alcohol, I use it, but I asked the doctor. He said may not use it for long or much more or so, because it might may damage your gum or something. For me, I tried just a few drops only, like just a few drops. You can use, this is 70% alcohol, so you can, if you get more like pain or so, you can use 90%, 99%. All you need, use air cleaner cotton, wet it, soak it, and put it on inside on the top of the tooth where it hurts, and it reduce the pain right away. But for not very long, it's just temporary. And finally, this is number one, and it's the best. It works fantastic. This one is just fights blood and gravity and bad breath and so on, by just a little bit put in your mouth, and then start to washing it. And so this one, it's kind of a hot, so it's called Listrum, freshbursst. Okay, and it works fantastic. I try this one, and it just right away it'll kill the pain right away. But you might have to leave it in your mouth for about a few minutes, and it's also temporary. So just in case if the pain get worse, you can use this, and it's guaranteed 100% reduce the pain, but temporary. But maybe every time you get pain, try to put about like half a cup, small amount of this fresh burst, and put it in your mouth and keep it in your mouth. You can kind of try to waggle it or something, but you can just keep it in your mouth, and it'll help to reduce the pain very, very much.